Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me on any of these numbers. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually simply just use your Stonebridge to get your bar bending schedule for any building design. Okay, it does for slab, for beam, for column, and your footing. Okay, so let's jump right into it. You can see here this tab called the bar bending schedule. If I double click on it, it brings me here. Okay, so you can see here all these lines that are blue in color. You can change all these ones that are in blue. You can change the informations there, and you will see it will affect every other information here. Okay, so but you can, if you change any of this information, it doesn't have any effect here, so you have to manually type in the informations here, but for this it's automatic. So let me quickly show you that. If I change this information to, let's say, 400, and I type in enter, now you can see that sorry, I think I messed up with the file. Now you can see automatically that the information has actually changed. It has given us the total weight, which has increased. Now you can see we have 1065.52 once. So if I change this to 500, you will discover the information will change. This is 1331. Okay, so that's basically what the software does for you. It changes, it will readjust, it will calculate and give you the total weight, the total length, the unit weight, and then the total weight in kilogram as well. Okay, so all you need to do is probably change the informations here manually. Okay, but it does all of these automatically. So if you have a total number of bar here to be 16, if I should change this reinforced number of bars to 20, and then I type in enter, you will discover the informations here have changed as well. So similarly, for whatever structural member you want to achieve, whether for column, for your beam, and for your slab, all you need to do is just to type in those information. It does all of this calculation for you, give you the total length, the unit weight, total weight, and then while the bar overall weight is here. Okay, so that is that. Let me try for this. Let's say we have here to be 40. Okay, all right, so that is that. If you love what you are seeing, just like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.